What is up, everybody? Back at it again with another episode. We're going to be working on the wagon again today because we're going to be lowering the rear. You guys saw that we lowered the front in the first episode.
And it looks ridiculous right now.
Heck yeah, so let's get after it.
I'm eating dust.
All right, Jam is taking off the rear bumper because she hates
think.
it. Sorry, correction. The rear park bench.
Yes.
She's taking that off right now.
Maybe.
How's it going?
Not great. I'm eating dust. I'm breathing dust. It's in my eyes.
I like your glasses.
Thanks. They're for safety.
You're like the Elton John of crusty Corollas.
Well, I don't know if this was even the correct bolt. It's just the only one that makes sense to get the bumper off. So, we'll find out. I thought that was a bug.
She's on high spider alert.
Dude, it's so gross under here. I think we need a hammer.
A hammer?
Yeah, because the bolt, it looks to me like the bumper goes in, and then the bolt and nut go through it. So now I have to fucking whack that fucker through.
Alright, well, let's go find you a hammer.
Let's find me a hammer.
Jam's taking a little snack break here. He's been working on removing the rear bumper. All the bolts are extremely rusted on there and really hard to get out, so it's been kind of like a WD-40 weight. Couple turns, WD-40 weight, couple turns, but it'll come off eventually. Oh yeah, we didn't even show them what we have. We have these lowering blocks here. 4-inch lowering blocks, eBay specials, universal. They should work. It should lower it about that much. So it should be almost perfect with the front. So we are going to lower it. There's a fuel leak in the gas tank. We're going to have to figure that out. But in the meantime, what I'm doing is I'm going to mount these bumper lights. Since we're not running a front bumper, we still have to mount these blinkers so we have turn signals in the front. I'm probably going to mount them like right here because we're not going to run a front bumper for now. We're going to run the JDM one eventually, but for now we need to have some sort of blinkers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just drill these spot welds out on these OEM brackets. And then I'm gonna drill a hole in the OEM bracket and find some place to mount the OEM bracket in there so we can plug these in and have some turn signals. All right, let's get it. All right, got one off. This kind of came out of the light, so we're gonna have to get this apart and like glue it back in, but there it is, got one off. All right, now we got the other one off. Now what I need to do is I need to figure out how this is going to fit under the car. All right, so I tried to use this bracket, and basically anywhere that the bracket would work, this thing would stick out so far. It looks kind of stupid. So basically what I found is there's a hole right here, and I drilled a big hole here with the step bit and another hole here so that the wiring harness will fit through and these two bolts will fit through, and it actually sits really nice. So put that in there, and if I bolt it straight down, look how much more even it is with the front valance here. So that's kind of how I'm going to run it. I'm going to throw the nuts on the back and cinch it down, plug it in, and then get to the other side. After a lot of bullshit with these rusted ass, crusted ass bolts under here.
That's right. We ate a lot of dust. A lot of very old, very crispy dust.
The bumper is finally ready to come off for the first time. So I'll grab this side if you want to grab that side.
Oh, this is like...
Here, just set her on the ground right here.
Oh my gosh, yeah, look at, this is what I've been eating.
Wow, look, it's not even rusty under here. I saw a video of someone removing the bumper, and the whole back was rusted out, and I was like, ooh, hopefully that won't happen to us.
That's a wire of some sort. I wonder what that goes to.
Probably the reverse lights. God, it looks so much better without the bumper on there.
Weld on plates here, fill it in, and never put the bumper back.
Yeah, we're gonna shave the rear, so
yeah, it's gotta go.
it'll be as pretty as this.
Next, what is this? This crispy bitch has to go.
Yeah, we'll get an exhaust on it.
Crispy bitch. Has
This
to go.
crispy bitch.
What's up, boy?
Sage. Crispy bitch.
Look how it kicks out the side. I'm about to cut that off.
Crispy.
Just
All you
cut
should
her-
do is
cut her
sweep
right there.
you know, like a 45-degree angle on it, you know?
Dude, we should cut it and just
then-
turn it up.
No, that's what I was just about to say, dude.
And then we'll put a little flap on it so when she like...
Oh, yeah. I mean, in Washington, it rains so much, so you
Yeah.
kind of need that.
Yeah.
All right, we got the lights mounted on there. I have to put the lenses on, but I'm gonna do that later. But they're on there. So we do have front turn indicators. We have the car jacked up because we're gonna take the wheels off and we're gonna do the lowering blocks. All right, before we put the blocks on, we gotta get these wheels off. All right, wheels are off. Now we have to take these U-bolts off and we have to take the struts off. And then we could lift the axle up with the jack, slide the blocks in there, and then put the new U-bolts on. In theory, it's gonna be easy, but I guess we'll see what we have to do when we get in there. We'll probably have to take these bump stops off too. So yeah, let's do it. There it is.
A plus. Dunzo.
All right, so one thing that you got to take into account for when you're using random universal parts like these lowering blocks is that there's a little pin on the top of the axe or on the top of the bracket for the leaf springs, and it's too wide for this hole. So we're gonna have to drill this hole out so the pin will fit.
Oh, almost flush. What do you think?
A little bit more.
Yeah, it's almost a little too wobbly.
All right, we got the hole. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Much better. Sit nice and flush.
This thing is going to be freaking slant. Look how freaking stupid those look. God damn.
Everything in here is so rusty and corroded, and then that's so shiny and pretty.
Yep. All right, so let's knock out drilling out the other one, and then we can see if the U-bolts fit. Oh yeah,
Everything bolted down.
Jam took out the bump stops, so we won't have those anymore.
Unnecessary.
Unnecessary. All right, we did it. Took a lot of wrenching because these threads are so far, we had to cut the threads off, but everything seems to be lining up and they're both on there. So now what we're gonna do is throw the wheels on and see how low it is. So we have a bit of a problem. We're gonna have to get bigger tires because look at that. That is freaking low. So we're gonna need to get some bigger tires so this is not as low to the ground as they are now, because that is freaking ridiculous.
The back looks so bad. When you,
It clunks some gravel a little.
do you want me to drive it? You can look at it, dude. Dude, it's hilarious.
Look how low it is.
Dude, it's so funny. What do you just...
Oh, this looks dope though. Oh my god, those are freaking low. Uh-oh. Oh, we didn't put the exhaust back on.
You're just asking for like this. Like if something gets caught on that, you're losing your axle. Dude, like
Yeah.
it's gonna tear the whole thing
Yeah,
out. Do
probably.
you see it when you drive?
I'm
It's
gonna do what your dad said and we'll put casters on there.
yeah.
If we get like bigger tires, it'll be a little bit better. I wish we didn't have to get bigger tires because this looks dope.
In the stupidest way.
All right, we're wrapping up the video. We got it lowered. I'm looking like I worked in a coal mine. We have this list that we've been working on. We got the front
Lowering
coils.
blocks, check. Front coils already checked off. Fender mirrors.
Front blinkers.
Blinkers. We didn't put the wipers on. We were going to. We forgot that
I
part.
think that's basically it.
Yeah, I mean, most of the stuff is going to have to come later. Flares, exhaust, quick release. Doesn't matter right now. Yeah, that's very important. Let's underline that puppy.
And then next, on Monday, when we
yes.
come here in a couple days, we'll fix the fuel tank and we'll put the wipers on. And we'll
At least
put the
we
quick-
kind of have a general idea of what's happening here, so that'll make it a lot quicker to get that part done.
All right, everybody, that is a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like what you've seen, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot, and it definitely motivates us to keep making videos.
Yeah, it makes us want to get out here and get this stuff done so we can be on the road.
Heck yeah. So anyways, catch you guys next time. Peace.